guys, I gotta fix that. Here you go, Kabo.
Eat a banana.
This means she doesn't want to go to bed. This means she no night time.
You
Oh, look who won.
Yeah.
Look who won.
You are so spoiled.
Look who won.
Yeah, I can't say no to that. A little feet hanging. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah.
Gizmo, what you think about that, Gizmo?
You don't get right to mama.
What do you think about that, Gizmo?
Yeah, you get right to mama.
Yeah. Oh, look who's coming over there.
Can't say no. Oh, we been spotted. Hi, hello. My buddy. My buddy.
He's like, hello, I'm right here.